Hi friends, this is the first tutorial in the React Basics Learning series. As part of this particular tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up the environment for creating React applications. So first of all, you need to have the Node.js installed in your system. We will be going through the Node.js installation process, and then how you can verify the Node.js installation and the Node package manager as well. So once you install the Node.js, Node package manager is included by default with the Node installation. So installing Node.js will also install npm. So let's get started. So for installing Node, you need to search for, let's search for Node.js. You will find a website nodejs.org. So once you land here, you need to click on download Node.js and follow the step-by-step process for your Windows or Mac system for completing the Node.js installation. Once the installation is completed, because in my system I have already done the steps, so I'm not going through each and every process of installing it, but you can follow the steps. If you are stuck anywhere, just post uh, the errors that you are getting in the chat box. I will make sure that I reply to your comments, and then you will be able to move ahead. So once you are done with installing Node.js, the next step is to verify your Node.js installation. For that, you need to open the command prompt. So open the command prompt, and for verifying the Node.js installation, you need to use the command node-v. So based on, like, when you are watching this video, your Node.js version could be different, but you will be, if the installation is successful, you will be able to see a particular node version here. And for verifying the node package manager, you need to run the command npm-v. uh, so you will be able to see the npm version as well. If any one of these commands are failing, make sure first you need to fix those, and then only you can move to the next video. In the next video, we are going to cover how to create a React app using the create React app command. uh, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.